Here we are, really arriving in Ketchikan today. There is the pier. It's actually on our side of the ship this time. But there is our view today. We're in Cove Bay, I believe, or Ward Bay, Ward's Cove. Feel free to correct me in the comments below. This is pretty much a Rambling with Phil carb loading breakfast before our 4.5-hour crab fishing tour. We're getting off the boat at Ketchikan. We're going through the gateway arch to Ketchikan. This is it. So this is Ward's Cove. Ketchikan downtown is like a few miles away or something.
15-20 minute shuttle.
15-20 minute shuttle. So that's probably a few miles. And this is us walking up the ramp. Here's our ship, the Norwegian Encore. Oh, we have someone waiting at the end. No, that says Wildlife Safari. That's not us. Now we're walking inside a building with a bunch of rocks. There's a big tree trunk, Sitka spruce. Entertainment as we arrive. Hello. There's animals here. Wow, look at this place. Who needs to go downtown? Everything's right here. Oh, tour departures. Ketchikan Duck Tour, not to be confused with the duck farts. Bering Sea over there, red sign. We're going on the Aleutian Ballad. This ship was on the Biggest Catch. 203 is the bus we're looking for. Straight ahead. It's the green bus.
Bering Sea?
Yep. This is the area by the port. We're here in downtown Ketchikan, more or less. The rain has stopped for us to walk to berth 3 and also to the restroom area. Appear to be a bunch of shops here that we can check out later or before we get on the ship. Here we go. Oh, there it is. We're in Ward's Cove. Well, I don't know where we are right now. I mean, I know we're in Ketchikan. We're within the city limits, population 8,200, according to the sign. There are some shops. Sakai Zams, for example, is over here by the ship, or by the boat. Here we are on the Aleutian Ballad. This has been converted to a tour boat.
Now back in 1997, I came to Ketchikan on my little boat that's called the Ballad, and I was offloading halibut, but I walked downtown and 2 of those cruise ships pulled up. And I'm watching hundreds of people come down those gangways. So now you know what I started thinking, huh? This guy pulls up in a tour boat. I look down and say, hey, what are you doing? He says, I got 95 people coming off of these cruise ships. And I get to drive them around the bayfront, show them Ketchikan from the water. I looked out on that water that day and I thought there's over 50 times the amount of life in that water that you're gonna see here in Ketchikan. How do we show you guys that stuff? How do we pull it up on board the boat so you can get into it in that life tank? How do we show you things above the water that are gonna blow your mind? We have put together a phenomenal crew. Hanson, Phil, Jonathan, all them guys. Pleasure, Captain Ron's Wallace. And then every boat has to have greenhorns. Lila, Kendall, and JT. Let's get out of here. Let's go have a blast. You know what this is?
Yep.
The hug. Yeah.
Okay, we're not lighting it on fire. Right? That's a TV thing, right? But I am going to encourage you, get your hip right up against this pot and launcher. Give your best, deadliest catch pose with that crab block in the background. But here's the deal. Don't throw it.
Here we are in Alaska. We've been here for a few days now. There's the Grand Princess docked in downtown. Our boat's down there somewhere. Can't see it. We're on the Greatest Catch, Deadliest Catch. There's, wow, those are small. Oh, these must be like small miniatures. Because it seemed like they were big. I don't know. Are those the actual size? We're going out to catch crab, king crab. Wow, those things are pretty big. This one's saying hi. Hello. Hi. This is where the crew used to sleep and eat.
Give the worst information in the
Gentleman
world
with the
that
beard
you
is an
he
eagle
can correct it on the
expert.
ship.
I've ever seen that many bald eagles ever
I know.
in one place.
We went to Yosemite and
many
only saw
times this
one,
year?
and it was like really far away.
Oh,
couldn't
about
even
3.5
see
weeks ago we
See
started.
them.
Yes.
All right, how about that for an eagle show?
Woo!
Very good. Isn't that incredible? Awesome. Let's go see what we can catch.
Shrimp, they're vegetarians. So that's why Lieutenant
Prawns
Cannon
eat meat.
Forrest had to drag that net around. Oh, look at that. Couple pounds in there. Cannery's paying you, your fish buyer's paying you $20 a pound live. By the time that sucker gets to the market, maybe in San Francisco, I think might be $45 a pound.
We will be checking pockets. It lost a leg. They usually have 5 legs.
Don't eat it.
I'm allergic to you, so I'm going to let you go.
I got you.
Wow, he's spiky. Wow, this is really prickly. Hi, Patrick.
That's a cone pot or a dome pot. Those crab, they're gonna come up. Tide's going back and forth through that scent. They smell it. They start walking up the side of this thing. They're just like, down through the center they go. Now these are box crabs, B-O-X. You're not gonna find them on the common market. The simple reason is they don't have a very high meat content. It may top out at 10%. The reason we have them for you guys is because you're gonna hold them. These are Barredi tanner. There's a Peleo tanner. Tanner's the species. Barredi a Peleo subspecies. You get them right out here on the ends of the legs. Don't hold them like I was holding that box crab. You hold them like that, they will come down and find you, and it hurts.
Do we get butter?
I'll be right there.
Here we go. He does not look very happy.
Okay, he has found something.
We just got off the Aleutian Ballad. It was a pretty cool little excursion. It's a pretty cool excursion. We saw 1,000,000 eagles. We also saw a whale tail. It was pretty awesome. Thanks for letting me ramble, and I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit like, and don't forget to subscribe to the Rambling with Phil YouTube channel to see more videos like this.